Okay, cooking on the road or at home really easy. It makes it really, really easy, even for a family, with this family size HotLogic. You can see if you open it up, it's got like a big hot plate in here. And this really doesn't get super, super hot. Think of this as a crock-pot type device. Now, whatever you put in here, if you're gonna put it in for a long time, you have to put have to have a lid on it so it doesn't dry out. But if you don't mind it drying out, well, then you can, but you really don't want to. You want to make sure it's covered or whatever it is. But again, this only gets to, I think, about 170, 180 degrees, so it really never overheats. The only really limitation you have, if you cook with rice, you got to use instant rice, not regular rice. It just doesn't get hot enough for regular rice. Instant rice will work perfect, so if you make chicken and rice or something like that. But think of this as a small little hot plate, and you can also have this for traveling, or if you're going to some company's house or whatever you want. There'll be a link for this down below. So you can bring it to their house, plug it in, and it's warm. So think of this if you're traveling, you're in a hotel room, stop by the store, or just get Instacart delivery and get one of these. We are going to cook this today for dinner tonight. So you just put it in here, cover it up, zip it, and plug it in. I'll show you how easy this is. Just take it out of the box. Put it in. If I can do it with one hand, you can do it with two. And put it in there, cover it up. There you go. Now, these do come with different meals, obviously. You know, the mashed potatoes, the meatloaf, turkey, there's pasta dishes. The only limitation with the lasagna one is after it's cooked, you know, you take it off and you put it in the oven to get it browner. We'll not do that. Now, if you're at home, what you can do is cook this during the day, take the lid off and put it in the oven 15 minutes right before you serve it. But if you're in the hotel room, we'll show you tonight what it looks like if you like it sitting in a hotel room or something like that. But that's it. All you're gonna do is zip this up, plug it in, and just leave it all day because it won't overcook. You have a good day. Bye. Okay, it's at night now and it's done. It's just been plugged in all day. Literally, all I did was plug this in, show you what it's like. Put this to the side a little bit. Take this out. Now, like I said, if you're at home, you can put this in the oven. If you're on the road, well, you really can't. But you got yourself a good meal right here. It is right there. Does that not look good or what? You can do this in the hotel room or anything you want. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and you guys have a good day.